So, do you want the Commander's Kai's saber, but all the tutorials are all outdated? The rest are just too inconsistent? Well, this is the tutorial for you, boys. So, let's get things straight. No other spells will work except for acid. So, if you have any extra slots, you're going to want to make one with acid and get to a decently high level. Then, all that's left is the simple strategy. You break the ground, he aggro's on you, you dash over, come over here. It's similar to a previous strategy, but a lot less effective because of the patch. It does take longer. All you want to do is just spam Acidic Blast and stay in this specific spot so nobody else aggro's on you except for him. There are a few instances where he can teleport through the wall and attack you. In that case, you want to dash over through the door into the side, and then you do the same thing. He'll be stuck on this wall. You attack through the wall with the acid puddle from the wall over there. He's stuck. You continue killing him. That's about it. And you're just gonna see the sped up gameplay of this, I guess. Yeah. And that's how you do it. It's that simple, bros. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Have a good day, night, or whatever, whenever you're watching this. And goodbye.